welcome back to Ratchet and Clank. We just... Whoops. That's not a crack. We just saved the world. Savali. But this is a big world. So I think we're going to explore this a little bit and see what's here. I don't know if there's going to be any more of Nefarious's contingent here, but we'll see. It might be. But we got a lot to explore here, so we're going to explore a couple videos just for fun. And I noticed they threw me back over here by the beginning, which is kind of crazy because then I got to get back up. We're going to spend some money. Let's see what she's got available now because we got a bunch of stuff. Come on, give it to me. Come on.
Here to buy?
I am. Give me the prompt. Here we go.
Shields do not get enough love. Give the void repulsor some sugar and watch as it blocks and returns fire.
Oh, really? That could be interesting.
Shields are boring. It is one of the facts of life. But what if a shield could shoot back? Sweet, right? Enter the void repulsor. Pull the fire trigger halfway to shield yourself. And pull it all the way to shoot the short-range widespread blast of sweetness.
That's pretty good. Okay. What else we got? I have 20 grand. The drill hound.
Looks like you got enough for that beauty.
We got enough for all of this stuff. The cold snap. Coming soon. Okay, the void repulsor. What if a shield range is pretty weak because it's got defense? I gotta think about that one. It might be good. The drill hound. I kind of like the frickin' rocket launcher too, because that's what this is. Let's hold off on spending any money just yet.
Hey, that one is so hot right now.
Alright, let's go to the lightning rod. Needs to be upgraded because we're at level 2. And what can we do here? What does this do? Electric needles, and if enemies die while being electrified, their electricity can spread to nearby enemies. That's what this is. That's the yeah, okay. Max ammo, sure. Max ammo is always good. Fire rate. Stun duration is good. Max ammo. We might as well get all of these. We can open up these. What does this do? Increases the maximum number of enemies that can be electrified. Okay. Let's just do this. There we go.
Oh, my stars! That is a good one.
Thank you, dear. Thank you very much. Continue. Okay, so that's good for now. And then what is this? Stun duration. We might as well grab this too. It's the last one in this level. Oh, we got 2 in this level. Oh, we got 3 in this level. We'll get them all. This is a kind of a good weapon. It seems to do a lot of damage. Okay, so we're good with that one. Now,
Looks like you got some open sales and the raritanium to match.
Yeah, we do. The Shatter Bomb, the Enforcer. What's levels of Shatter Bomb? It's at 3, the Enforcer, the Ricochet. Let's look at this one. We're at level 3, the Ricochet. What do these do? Ricochet can bounce additional times with each shot. That's going to cost me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, huh? Okay, let's do it. I like the Ricochet. That does pretty good damage.
That is a popular one.
Okay, we're good there. We still got 7 left. And what's this do up here? Increased timing window for bonus damage. Okay, let's do that too. And we're full. We got it all. Okay, what's next? The sprinkler. We really haven't used the sprinkler. I don't know how well that works. I gotta try it, I guess.
Come on back for upgrades when you level that up.
The collider. Okay, let's pump the rest of them into the collider. What do we need for? What do we got here? What's this? Charge each shot faster. That's probably a really good thing. That's what. Increased duration. How many do I have? I have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can almost get this, whatever this does. Vaporize enemy projectiles. And what does this do? Increase ammo. We don't want to increase ammo picks. We want to increase death and destruction. Charge each shot faster. Okay, so we can find some more raritanium so we can do that. And then that will vaporize enemy projectiles, I guess. Increase max ammo. Okay, so we need to get some more raritanium. I don't think we're going to purchase anything just yet. I'm going to hang on to my cash because I'm not sure about the void repulsor.
Well, you can, sweet cheeks.
Yeah, we'll think about it, dear. I'm going to think about it. I won't help you. Okay.
Glad to
Alright.
be of service.
So let's go. I don't know if there's still guys over here or not. I guess we're going to find out. Okay, so the archive is safe. Is there a... I thought there was like a little fast travel in here somewhere. I was thinking that there was. What's this? Is that a gold bolt? Yeah, there's a gold bolt over there. I don't know where that's at. We can go find that since it's marked already. But I thought there was like a little fast travel in here. We got this spot, right? That's the ship. And you really can't fast travel to your ship, I don't think. No, it's like right there. Alright, let's go. Whoa, don't jump off that way, damn it. Let's go this way. Like some more bolts, some raritanium if we can. And ammo too, oh, okay. Okay, I can't see what that shadow is. That's pretty cool how that shadow is all the way over here. Alright, so there's nothing in this area, right? We gotta get off this rock. What's over there? We have a bouncy thing over there. That may help me. Okay, I got some ammo. Yeah, I guess everybody's gone over here. So let's just get to where we want to go. Looks like some stuff respawned here, but what's over here? Anything? Still, we're still on the wrong rock. We gotta go this way. We gotta take the boots. These guys, that's pretty funny. Yeah, there's a... Okay, here we go with the boots. Alright, let's go check out the gold bolt first, because that's marked on the map. That's pretty far away, though. Let's get around the crack before I use my boots. See if we can find the... I could just go across right here, can't I? Sure. Okay, the bolt is way down in that corner. Okay. Hit this corner? Let's see. Way down in the corner. Is it on this other place over here? Don't tell me I gotta use the... I gotta go on the racetrack again, do I? Let's see. No. We want to go this way, I guess. It's over here somewhere. There's that thing over there. And the bolt is up here somewhere, I think. Right? Yeah, we're getting closer. I think we're on the right track. I guess these things don't run out of fuel. Alright, we're getting closer. And these guys never get aggroed, so that's pretty good, I guess. We got that thing. There's something over there with a flashing light on it. What is it? Well, that must be where we gotta go to get what we're looking for. Yep. There's this bot. That's that thing again. Is that the gold bolt? I have to chase that thing down? I understand now. Okay, yeah, because there's nothing. Okay. I knew I should have destroyed that thing a long time ago. Let's put the collider on. That might be the best way to get that thing. Now where's it at? It's up here? Okay, chasing that thing is going to be fun, eh? Right? It's up there? Nope, it moved. Okay, so it's on the move all the time. I just happen to have to catch it at the right spot somewhere, eh? It's over there still. Okay, let's see if we can get it. Huh. I'm not sure how you're supposed to get that. You have to get on top of it? I might have to get up on top of it, I don't know. It's gonna go over the edge, isn't it? Yeah, it's going over the cliff. Yeah, the faster you go, the faster it goes. Okay. Okay. That was only 2 bolts that we've gotten so far, right? We only got 1. Okay. Ah, well, that was weird. So you couldn't destroy it yet. Catch it. Alright, let's get off the rock here. Go to the next one. We're going to go someplace we haven't been yet. Actually right in front of me. That's a void though, right? Big void. We don't want to go there. Where's the rock? Here it is. Is there anything else over here we need to locate? To the right. Let's see. This way. I can't get up there. There might be something up there. We gotta go to the top. Alright. Let's go this way. Go this way. And there's not much here. That's the void I was already in. Where am I at? Man, this map is weird. So this should be behind me. This way. Is this the area? This is the area here. Satellite dish. Okay, nothing else. Let's go up on top. Huh. So, really is nothing here. And I'm not even clearing it up. I guess it's this. Oh, it's down. Let me see. There's something down there, isn't there? Can I go jump down there without dying? I haven't found any fall damage yet in the game. This is the area we just... Okay, yeah, let's see what's over here. Anything? Fortunately, these guys are not... Well, there's another thing over there, eh? I haven't gotten that one yet, have I? Or is that the one I have got? Nope, doesn't look like I have. I don't know what that is. Let's go check this out. See what this one looks like.
Well, it doesn't look that impossible.
Ah, they're all impossible for me. Okay, can I see the end game? Sometimes it's better if I can see the end game. Is that it over there? That's it over there. It looks pretty straightforward. Well, we'll give it one try here. Okay, are there any tether balls? I don't see any tether balls. Okay, here we go. Oh, there's bombs over there. That's not good. Oh, really? I had that.
Thank you, Ratchet, for helping us.
Anytime. Now, let's get to Kadaro Station.
Okay. Oh, wait a minute. What the hell? Alright, one more time.
Thank you, Ratchet, for helping us.
Anytime. Now, let's get to Kadaro Station.
Alright, so why can't I get that last one over there? I don't know, let's see. Oh, I see what the problem is here. We can go right through the middle, can't we? Okay. Uh-oh. Okay, well that wasn't too terrible.
Guess that's all there is to find here.
You just gotta be quick on reaction. So what did I get? A helmet. Let's look. Helmet. Which one did we get? A Star Shield, it said. Didn't it say Star Shield? Oh, Space Ranger helmet. Okay. So we almost have that full set of armor. No, here it is. Yeah, Star Shield. What does this do? XP gained. XP, I'm not sure what XP does for you in this game either. Rendering modes pack 1. Oh, that's kind of weird. Whole movie, huh? Okay. That's some of the weirdest stuff, I swear. Alright, so let's, I guess we gotta go this way, huh? Is this the exit? Not yet. Where is it? Down below me? Sometimes getting out of here is just as bad as... How do I get over there? I can't make it from here, can I? That seems pretty crazy. Alright, well, let's just do it. Okay, we did it. Alright, check. We got that off the list. Now, how do I get out of here? Go this way? Let's see what's over here. Oh, those are bad guys there, I'm pretty sure. These guys need hand grenades. No. I keep doing this fucked up all the time. That's what we want, just like that. Let's put this on. Let's put the shatter bomb on. These guys need a shatter bomb. What were they guarding? Let's see. Oh, looks like a Lorb. Okay, so we got a Lorb. I think that's what that is. Ah, we got a new Lorb. 3 of 12, huh? Let's listen to it, right? Why not?
Mapped my first dimension today. Pretty standard stuff, except the colors there were so vivid, like, whoa. And there were these creatures. One of them even looked like a Lombax, but he had smaller ears, a mask, and a cane, and I think he was pulling some kind of heist. Whatever it was, it looked cool.
Okay. Alright, so we got the Lombax Lorb. Is there a way out over here? Let's try this way. Oh yeah, this is... Okay, well that's pretty cool. We're at the other guys now, huh? Oh, there's the little ship. I conquered him. He has given up now since I took his gold bolt. He's got nothing to live for anymore. Alright, let's... The trouble with this is, if I stop the game... I'm not sure where it's going to put me at. Probably back there by the Lorb. I don't really want to go back to my ship. There doesn't seem to be any, save points or anything here that I can tell in the game. Except like that thing. I got the Lorb, so that's probably that's the last save point in the game. It'd be nice if they at least told you. Like, what the last save point was somewhere. What's this over here? Nothing. Okay, how do we get out of here? Oh, we're out of here. We are out. Okay, we've done this already too.
Those pillars seem to be different from the others. But I am not sure what to do.
I could shoot them.
Well, I already did this, but we'll do it again, I guess, eh? What's it gonna do if I do it again?
I guess sometimes violence is the answer.
So I get another Lorb? Oh, we already got it. Okay. Huh. That's weird. I wonder if you can get back up in the archive. Well, I guess we're just gonna have to call it and see where it leaves us at. I don't know. Hover boots. Hover boots need ground to hover on, so I have to remember that. Doesn't just you're not flying, you're hovering off the ground. We gotta go to some places we haven't been yet, like right here. I see some ammo. Let's go grab some ammo. Need some more grenades. Wasn't there ammo here? I thought I saw some ammo. What is this place? Access, see, hunt for Lombax lore. I guess that's the optional one. And it's like a area. Oh, and there's, oh well, if she's there, then that's probably a checkpoint if she's there, eh? Maybe she's got some rare titanium. I like this. That's pretty good. Okay, no rare titanium here this time. This looks like a puzzle of some kind. Maybe not. We got another rhino.
Ah, there is one of our senior archivists.
Where? Right here? We can talk to him?
Whoa, can it be? A brother Lombax?
Brother.
No, we're not related, right?
Cha we are, by our mutual thirst for knowledge. Check this out. A shrine the Lombaxes built ages ago, containing a Lorb stuffed with ancient info. But only a Lombax can unlock its secrets. If you could bring me 3 Lorbs, I'll hook you up with a sweet piece of armor I dug up.
Okay.
Lombax shrine? Yeah, I'll totally help.
Radical! One last thing. Shrines won't open if there are bad vibes nearby. So if there are, you'll have to clear them out.
I see. Okay.
Wait a
Motivate, or might have
second.
broken
I think you have
something.
enough already.
I do. Grab this one too. What the hell? Alright, so we got another one.
Second dimension down, not as colorful as the first one, but the creatures were definitely stranger. Their bodies were made out of all these old relics, but they could break apart and still be alive. It was so wild. And now I wish I had asked Katie for more time. I just want to learn the stories of all these dimensions.
Cool. Oh, wait a minute. What is the, here we are here. Okay, so it doesn't map them for you. You just gotta wander around and find them. That's a weird strip right there. It's like something I've already been on. So there are gonna be more enemies here as we roam around trying to find Lorbs. Well, let's get it
They'll be
to.
studying him so intensely. Hey, if you can bring me 4 more Lorbs, I'll give you some chest armor to match those legs. I've marked
Lombax
the rest of
Lorbs?
the shrines on your map. Good luck,
Oh,
brother.
cool. He did do that. Nice. Okay, well, that gives you something to shoot for. Let's see what my armor is now. I got chest armor, right? Is that what I got? No. It went too fast. We got some boots. What is this? Wasteland gear. What does this do for me? Damage from indigenous creatures is decreased by 5%. Okay. Collectibles. Nefarious City. One thing, is there any more bots here? Yeah, there's a bot somewhere. I don't know where that guy's at. Alright, so all the Lombax lore is... That's the thing. Yeah, well, I was pretty sure that was a Lorb. That's going to be a trial over there trying to get that. Alright. So, let's go talk to her real quick. I think this will be a save if I do this.
Take your time, sweetie.
Okay, she's got nothing new. And we have 5, which will help me with the Enforcer? No. Ricochet? No. Shatter Bomb, Lightning Rod, Megaton, Megatron. Is that the one I was missing? Yeah, we're missing this right here because then that gives me beams vaporizing. Yep, this is what I wanted right here. There we go.
Now look at that.
Vaporize enemy projectiles.
You will be missed, sweet thing.
Okay, so that's it for now. We'll come back and we're gonna keep roaming around here for a while and just see if we what we can collect and what kind of trouble we can get into. So if you're watching, thanks for watching.
Should I listen to
See
the
ya.
Lorbs